Hello SCJAM fans, today we're going to be doing an in-depth look at the C100 camera. So this is a nice small and compact camera. So you can see here, we can compare it to the mouse here, how small it is. So ultra compact. And we actually showed the accessories yesterday in our unboxing review, so make sure to check out our channel to see the unboxing. So at the top here we have a lanyard, a hole for the lanyard strap, mic hole. We have the camera lens, power / shutter button, and on the back here we can see that it says SCJAM. So this is a plastic housing. Now one thing that I'm kind of I was trying to get open before the review and I wasn't able to, is this looks like it's a micro USB port. So yeah, it looks like I'm not going to be able to, I don't really have nails, so that's one of the downsides of this camera so far. But let me show you the menu. Actually yesterday we showed you the back of the box, but the shot was blurry, so here are some of the specs. It supports 1080p at 30 FPS. It has a magnetic body, so I'm not sure exactly what that means. Let me see. Yeah, it's not magnetic to the phone, so I'm not sure what. Maybe the case is magnetic, so I'm not sure what it's magnetic with. Let's see. Okay, I'll put an update in the comments about the magnetic part. Okay, H.265, free your hands. So I guess at this free your hands, it has a lanyard strap or several different mounts. You can shoot video for about 3.5 hours on a single charge. Supports live streaming, so this is good for Instagram. I like to call this the Instagram cam. And it looks like it's 30 meters water resistant. So this does have a case. Again, we showed that to you yesterday in the unboxing. Okay, so here are the accessories here. So here's the manual. We weren't really able to show you the manual, and today I kind of noticed that there wasn't a screen. So you have to long press some of the buttons to basically operate the camera. So I'll put that there so you can pause the screen. Again, here are some of the instructions on the operation. You know, some of the lights, different light colors, flashing lights, which basically tells you how to operate it. So it looks pretty intense, just all these flashing lights off, but I'm sure that'll be easy, and we can maybe even make a tutorial if you guys like. So here we have the iOS and Android QR codes for downloading the SCJAM app. See if they have a note about how to open the bottom of the unit. So it looks like they don't. So oh, there we go. So yeah, you have to have a nail. So you see here that it has a micro USB port and a micro SD card slot. Looks like this is the reset button here. You take a pen and you can reset it. Push that down to reset it, which is good. I like the reset button on this. So hopefully some of the other models actually adds this. So this is nice and tight, which is good, I guess, just to keep the dust and water out or whatever. So there it is. We can maybe take some footage outside if you like. So make sure to let us know what type of footage you'd like to see on this camera, and we'll go out and shoot it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like our video, subscribe, and see you soon.